Charuta Pete from computer science will talk about, can AI break down a story into meaningful pieces?
Have you ever started reading a book and gotten so engrossed in it that you simply kept on reading, and before you realized it, the book was over? Especially in fiction books, many events, one after the other, are woven together beautifully to form a single story. But this story is usually split into several different chapters, which ignites my curiosity. How do we take a long story and split it into meaningful segments? Computers or AI, artificial intelligence, currently cannot do this task easily because AI is good at understanding small sentences but finds it hard to parse meaning out of long text like books. So, can we develop an algorithm to figure out the best places in a story to insert breakpoints in a meaningful way? This is what I've worked on in my thesis by developing a system called Stony Book. So, what can we do with such a system? Well, having the ability to take a story and break it down into meaningful chunks makes it possible for computer scientists to develop better algorithms for question answering. For example, if you want to know what Harry Potter ate to be able to breathe underwater, you could filter out the relevant chunks of the story and then look for the answer. Or if you're a writer, you could simply keep writing in a creative flow and you wouldn't have to worry about how to split your story into chapters. You could use this system as a tool to help you with that. So I've developed two methods to address this task of breaking down a story. The first one is focused on word patterns. For example, if at one point a story is talking about a cabin in the woods, you would expect to see the words cabin and woods more often around that event. And as the story moves on to a different event, you'd expect to see the number of times you see these words gradually decline. So if you take any two consecutive paragraphs in a story and look at the overlap of words before and after that point, wherever the overlap is low, you would expect there to be an event boundary. The second approach leans more towards letting the computer learn this on its own. So you show the program a huge set of examples of pairs of paragraphs, along with labels telling it whether or not there was a chapter break between the two. It then generates internal representations of the text that it can understand and trains itself to figure out whether or not there should be a break given any two paragraphs. Along with these methods, I've also developed an algorithm to figure out how to keep these chunks roughly equally sized. This is because we'd want to avoid something like a huge chunk with 1,000 paragraphs in the beginning, followed by many small chunks later, even though the algorithm thinks they're good breakpoints. It's kind of like turning a knob to adjust the importance that we give to the prominence of these breakpoints versus keeping the chunks equally sized. So with these methods, I was able to achieve a significant improvement over the current state-of-the-art methods on the task of chapter boundary identification. And hopefully Stony Book will pave the way for cool future work on book processing as well. Thank you.